Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge is Power. Today we will learn about angles in geometry. What is an angle? An angle is a figure formed by two rays with a common point. And the angle can be measured by using protractor. The unit of measuring angle is degree. How do we denote the angle? With degree. And where two rays join, there's a one joining point, common point, that is called vertex. And the symbol for the word angle is like this. We denote angle like this. Like this is one ray is AC and another ray is AB. Then what will be the angle? This angle will be, we denote like this, CAB. This is the angle. We will write like this. And this is called the joining point will be called vertex. Then how many kinds of the angles are there? There are 6 kinds of angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kinds of angles. What are the angles? Number 1, it's a complete angle. What is complete angle? This is 360 degrees. This can be called a straight line or can be called a complete angle. And the another one is right angle. What is right angle? A right angle is 90 degree perpendicular to AB. This is perpendicular and this is 90 degrees. This is called right angle. Right angle means it's 90 degrees. Then acute angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle lies between 0 to 90 degree. It should be less than 90. It should be less than 90 degree. Here it will be 90 degree perpendicular. It's less than 90 degree and more than 0. 0 to 90 degree. R, Q, P. This angle will be called acute angle. And what is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle lies between 90 degree, from 90 degree to 180 degree. It's between, this is a 180 degree, here it's 180 degree, straight angle. Then the obtuse angle is between 90 degree to 180 degree. Then we will learn about straight angle. What is straight angle? Straight angle is 180 degree. This is 180 degree. This is whole 180 degree. This is 180 degree. And reflex angle is between 180 degree to 360 degree. This is called reflex angle. And now we will come to the supplementary angles. What are the supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are the angles that add up to 180 degrees. That means when two angles are joined, their sum should be 180 degrees. Like what will be the supplementary of 100 degree? 100 degree, 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. That means 100 plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. Then the sum of two angles 100 degree and 180 degree, it should be 180 degree. Then supplementary angle of 150 degree, that will be 30 degree. Because when we add 150 plus 30, that should be 180 degrees. That is called supplementary angle. And what is complementary angle? Complementary angles are the angles that when added up give 90 degrees, right angle. What does it mean? When we add up two angles, their sum should be equal to 90 degrees. Then, for example, complementary angle of 40 degrees will be 50 degrees. How? 40 degree plus 50 degree, that will be equal to 90 degrees. Then if is the angle is, one angle is 60 degree, and what will be its complementary angle? That should be 30 degrees. How? Because 60 plus 30, it should be 90 degree. We will subtract 60 from 90 degrees, then we will get the answer. That will be the complementary angle. For example, we will draw supplementary angle. It should be up to 180 degrees. This is one angle, COB, this is one angle, plus this is AOC, the another angle, and the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. And the complementary angles, the sum should be 90 degrees. This is one angle, COB is one angle, and DOC is another angle, and the sum of both the angles should be 90 degrees. These are complementary angles. So we can revise what are the angles. Angle is a figure formed by two rays. These are the two rays, and the angle can be measured by using protractor, and the unit of the angle is degrees. We denote it with degrees, and the symbol is like this. This is angle. And the common point of two rays is called vertex. Then complete angles up to 360 degrees, right angle 90 degree, and acute angle, that angles lie between 0 to 90 degree, between 0 to 90 degree, and obtuse angle between 90 degree to 180 degree, and straight angle, it should be 180 degree. This is 180 degree, and reflex angle between 180 degree to 360 degree. And supplementary angles, the sum of two angles should be equal to 180 degrees, and the complementary angles, the sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. Thanks for watching.